Baklava Wafer-Cream dessert. Place the milk and semolina into a pot. Whisk rapidly until the mixture becomes the consistency of a thick custard. Melt 200 grams of butter in a separate pan. Remove the cooked semolina and melted butter from the heat and place on the work surface. Open the pack of pastry. Stack about 18 to 20 layers of pastry and cut widthways into strips of about 8 cm wide. Cut off any excess dough from the edges. Cut the pieces of pastry widthways again to make squares of about 8 by 8 cm. Place 1 tablespoon of the semolina mixture into the middle of each square. Bring opposite edges of each filled square together to make into a triangle and press down lightly on the edges. Closely line up the pastries in a baking tray so they overlap each other, then drizzle the melted butter over the top. Bake for 50 minutes in an oven preheated to 175 degrees centigrade. To prepare the syrup, add the water and sugar to a pan. Squeeze in the juice of 1/4 of a lemon. Add the lemon quarter to the pan as well, and then bring to the boil over a medium heat. Make sure the pastries in the oven are nicely browned, then remove the tray from the oven. Sprinkle the hot syrup over the top. After cooling, dress with ground pistachios and serve.